I have my signed Stray Kids album right here. I am way too lazy to leave my bed. I wanted to do a formal video, but I'm not gonna be able to, so I'm using one hand. I also have something else in here, so I didn't know which version I was getting, so I think this is this version. Oh, other things I ordered. Yeah. So I did order this. This is Han from Karma, I believe. And then a Chan postcard. It's Gazoo thingy. I don't know. I'm not gonna open it right now. I'm here for the signed album. Signed album. I want Seungmin so bad. I think, pardon the dog hair. I have 3 dogs. There's dog hair everywhere in my house. Nah. Hold on. Okay. I want Seungmin. I have Lino already of, what is it? Do It? I think I got 2 Lino, and then I gave one to my friend. Okay, so here is the book, which I think there's photo cards in it. Yeah, photo cards are in the book. I'm not gonna deal with that right now. I want to see, or maybe I should. Yeah, we'll do photo cards first. I don't want to just like show the signed thing and then, you know. The first one is going to be the little, is it ID card? I don't know. Oh, it's Lino! I haven't gotten Lino yet. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, that gives me hope that maybe. Oh my gosh. Okay. Who is this? Oh, I think I have this one already. Oh, sorry, my video got whoa video. Yeah. Chen and IN. I think I already have this one. But I don't have that Lino. Okay. I don't know. I'm nervous. Felix! Do I have this Felix? I think I have this Felix. So I will be putting some things up for trade because I want to find Lino. See who this signature is. Okay, I have it right here. I have not turned it over. I'm so nervous. I think I'll know IN and Changbin like instantly. Seungmin, Lino, Chan, they all look the same to me. Actually, I don't even know what anyone's signature looks like. Now I'm drawing a blank. Okay, who is it? It's Benny. I knew. I was walking back from the post office and I just knew. I was like, it's definitely not Seungmin. That's so good though. Oh, Benny, that's so cute. Oh, at least I got something of Lino. Oh, anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Bye.